Three aircraft formation overhead, the Kincardine Scottish Festival. The North American Harvard aircraft is powered by a Pratt & Whitney 9-cylinder radial engine, supercharged, putting out approximately 600 horsepower. The propeller makes its distinctive Harvard roar. The propeller is 9 feet 1 inch in diameter, and the reason for the distinctive Harvard roar is that the tips are breaking the sound barrier as they spin. Maximum speed of the Harvard is 156 knots. That equates to around 178 or 80 miles an hour. The endurance of the Harvard is approximately 4 hours, and it can fly as high as 22,000 feet. The Harvard weighs empty 3,995 pounds, 3,995 pounds, and has a maximum takeoff weight of 5,750 pounds. The Harvard is 28 feet long, 11 inches, and it has a wingspan of 42 feet and stands 9 feet, 9 inches high. If you look to the west over top the buildings, the 3-ship pass will be coming overhead again. They can see you, so wave as much as you can.